Question number 8. The equations x square plus 5x plus m is equal to 0 and x square plus nx minus 36 is equal to 0 have an equal root. The ratio of the other roots of these equations is 2:3 respectively. If all the roots are integers, then find the value of n minus m. So let's say alpha is the root, alpha is the common root. So if alpha is the common root, so we can say that from the first equation, alpha plus the other root being 2, so let's call this as 2a, is given as minus 5, and product of the roots alpha into 2a is going to be m. From the second one, alpha plus 3a is going to be minus n, and alpha into 3a is going to give us minus 36. So what we can do is, if we look at these two equations now, from here, if we divide, we will get the value of m, right? So if alpha into 3a is equal to minus 36, we can say alpha a is equal to minus 12. So we will have 2 into minus 12 is equal to m, or m is going to be minus 24. So m turns out to be minus 24. But we need to know the value of n. For that we will need to know the value of alpha and a. Or we can simply say that sum of two numbers is minus 5 while the product is minus 24. What are those two numbers? And they need to be integers. So can we say minus 8 and 3 are those two numbers such that their sum is minus 5 and their product is minus 24? So the common root, we can't have 3, right? It's going to be minus 8, of course. So if have the common root is 3, so alpha turns out to be common root, right? Because if 3 is going to be here, the roots are not going to be integral. Instead of 2, if I write 3, the other root is not going to be integral. That's the reason why I chose 3 as the common root and 2 being minus 8. So the other roots are 2:3, which is minus 8 is to minus 12. That means for this particular quadratic, the roots are minus 2 and 3, such that their product is minus 36, perfect, and their sum is going to be minus 9. If we look at this, we will get n is equal to 9. So m turns out to be minus 24, n turns out to be 9. So n minus m is going to be 9 minus minus 24, which will result in 33. So since it's a theta question, we are supposed to type in 33.